Hi guys, this is 15 Indian Scan, and today I'm gonna show you my shoes. It was Parkour 55's idea. He did say he wanted to see my shoes, so now I'm gonna review them. Here's the inside, a little dark, but you don't see it in there. Some white shoes, very nice. I'm very happy, and the like of the other shoe, very nice. This is some of the nicest shoes in the world, I think, and everybody ought to think that too. There you go, Parkour 55. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.